Alright, we now take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Give me brief, short answers. Just use a variety of words in your answer with a variety of sentence structure, mainly compound sentences, and there you are, crispy answers. Short, to the point, according to the question. So let's take a start. When did you start learning maths?
Well, I started learning numbers when I was in nursery, but in some basic addition and subtraction when I was in first standard.
Okay, so at the end you can just say something. So I actually started learning maths when I was at first standard. A concluding statement. Do you like mathematics?
Repeat करें?
Do you like mathematics?
क्या था?
Simple. Yeah, I like maths very much, or I don't like maths.
I am not good in math.
I'm not good at. Now my question is not are you good at it or bad at it. The question is, do you like mathematics? I love mathematics. It's my favorite subject. I hate maths, right? But I love mathematics. It's my favorite subject. When I was in class 3, I was number 1 in maths in my school, and my teacher always liked me. So therefore, maths was my favorite subject, and I liked it very much. Something like that. So the question is in present, so you can just answer yes or no. So, do you like maths?
Well, I don't like maths, but it is very useful for our daily life. So it is very important to learn that.
Okay, so your answer is short. You need to add 3 more sentences. Okay, let's go on. Who taught you mathematics?
Well, I have had many teachers who taught me maths throughout my school and college life, and
It's better to talk about one teacher. You said I had many. And many cannot come together, right? Who taught you math? I remember it was Mr. Sneem. I don't know. Yeah, Mr. Sneem who taught me maths when I was in class 2. Before that, I only knew few numbers and all that. But actually, that teacher, Mr. Sneem, she taught me subtraction, multiplication, division, and that was the time when I realized what maths was, and she was the only teacher who started teaching me maths. Something like that. Don't say different people and all that. Be specific, be to the point, and answer in 4-5 sentences, right? Exactly. All right, let's go on. One more question. You've got more questions actually. Do you like to use a calculator?
Yes, I love to use calculator whenever I have to calculate something. It is very useful and it is very accurate, and it's very time saving, so that's why I
Okay, just try to connect. It is very useful. Not only this, it is time saving. Connect your ideas with some sentences like that. Alright, so your answers are short and you get confused also. Overcome your nervousness and try to add more sentences to your answer, then they'll be better. Alright, let's just move on. I'm going to ask you some questions about music. So, do you often listen to music, or how often do you listen to music?
Yes, I often do listen music because whenever I feel myself free, I listen to music. I have downloaded many music in my cell phone.
I have downloaded many songs.
Many songs in my cell phone
So yes, I listen to music regularly, or I am fond of listening to music, or I am keen on listening to music, right? At the end, add something different. When do you listen to music? When means time of the day, morning, night, evening, afternoon. So when do you listen to music?
Whenever I feel myself free from any work, any kind of work, I listen to music. I will listen, always I listen soft music, and I spend 1 to 2 hours
listening to music. That's my next question. How much time do you spend listening to music every day?
Usually I spend 1 to 2 hours to listening to music, and while I'm doing some work, whenever I'm doing some written work, I play some soft music.
Okay, so don't use present continuous, whenever I am doing, instead of that whenever I do. Whenever I do any assignment or whenever I do any mathematics, I always play music at the background, and that really helps me, and it something like that. What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like soft music. It helps me in doing any kind of work, and I enjoy it very much.
Okay, this is the short answer. Just 1 to 2 more sentences you require. Otherwise, examiner will say why. They'll need more answers. So at present, your answers are short, but they are good. The good thing is you understand the question and you react according to the question. All you need to do, you need to add a couple of sentences to your answer. All right, and you have to be more confident. Understand? Good job. Thank you.